I'm going the right way, aren't I? I'm going the right. Right there. Get to fuck. Cut your fucking ears off and shove them up your fucking arse. Sorry, I don't know where that came from. Sorry about that. It's just sometimes I do demonstrate why we're at the top of the food chain. That wolf, as ferocious as it is, doesn't want to cut my ears off and shove them up my arse. That's why it's down at the bottom of the food chain as far as I'm concerned. It's that far down for me, it's practically like an ant. I can't fucking see it for here, it's a dot for here. Wolves? I love them. Do we have any Wolves fans as in the team? My dad supports Wolves.